Very good. Now, oh, heart.
Very bad heart.
Green heart. Well, so you've done an amazing job. This is really an easy one. I'm sure it is. And now we are going up a level. But you might find it really, sensible. Easy, because it just makes sense. What we're going to do is I am going to really carefully, I'll try my best. I am looking in the top row where you colored in blue, okay? Well, you see the first, there's a square shape that's cut in half, yeah, and you colored the top half. I am going to make it into 4 by drawing another line like here. Let me do it one more time. There! That's as close as possible I did. I made another line, make it into 4 equal parts. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we have, does it make sense? So do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I am going to write 1 in each box. Okay? So that means we have now 4 equal parts. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yep. And that means we colored 1/2 of the square blue, but now we have 4 equal parts. So that means 1/2 is the same as, let's count how many equal parts are colored now. 1. Do you see what I am circling 1? And then 2. Right? So we are now have 2 colored out of 4. Do you see, Sky? Yeah? So now I'm going to write 2 quarter. Yeah? And I use the equal here because 1/2 and 2 quarters are the same. Yeah? Sky, does it make sense? Yep, okay. And now, what I'm going to do, on the same square, I am going to make it into, oh, hang on. I want that 4. But what I do not want is that 1. I am rubbing those ones out, okay? And I am going to highlight what you highlighted before.
Are you on white pen?
Yeah, I am on highlighter. But what I'm trying to do is I'm making into 8 pieces. See what I do. I am going through the middle part and cutting it into how many?
8.
8 pieces. And we are going to count together. Can you grab black pen? Black pen. And this time you write 1 in each triangle. And we will count how many together. You can finish the rest of it. Can you do it? Very good. And we will count all together. And you already said it, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Really? Really? Is that how many we did?
No.
So how many triangles do we have? 8. And can you count how many equal parts of the 8 are colored? One,
Four.
4. Good. So next to 2 quarters, I am going to write equal. Can you complete the top? How many colored, and the bottom? How many equal parts now we have?
We have 4 equal parts.
Very good.
4. I'm writing in laser.
Oh, can you write in pen, please?
Oh.
Good. And the bottom number will be?
2.
No. How many equal parts do we have all together?
4.
No?
8.
8. All together we have 8. Really good. Really good. So, do you see what we are trying to do? Half is the same as 2 quarters, and same as 4 eighths. Yeah? And so on. As many divisions you do in one square, we'll just have to increase the number, keep going on. We can keep going on until like eternity. We can keep going on this way forever. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Now, we are going to do the similar thing but with another shape. All right? We are going to now use this circle. Okay, so this circle. Do you see what I'm circling now?
No.
No? Wait for it a little bit longer and keep circling. It's just the internet that's not doing it, saying. Do you see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So this is the circle that we're going to use, okay? Now, it has 1, 2, 3 equal parts within that circle, right? And I am going to do the similar thing like I did with that square, but make it into smaller pieces, smaller equal parts, by making a half each of that equal parts. So now, can you use the black pen to write how many ones you're going to write?
1.
So can you tell me how many?
5, 6.
6. Yeah, so it was 3 before, 3 pieces, but now we have 6 pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in fraction we can write you colored 1/3, but now we divide it into 6 pieces, and how many parts of the 6 pieces are colored?
2.
2. So what can you write here? Oh, I gave you away the answer.
The book is too small.
Oh, is it too small? Do you see, Sky? There is a zoom in tool that you can use. Do you see the word saying set background? On the left hand side of the set background, there's a little magnifier thing. with plus sign in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you click on the circle, it'll zoom into it.
Can you erase that for me?
Okay, I'll write it for you. What should I write? The bottom one.
Erase it. Erase it.
Erase it. Okay, I'll erase it for you. Okay. And I'm going to make it into like that. Awesome. Very good. Very good. Okay, we are going to do one more of the similar thing, and now we are going to use the square that's next to that circle. Okay, I'm making it into how many lines I'm gonna write. I'm gonna draw on top of it. Have a look. 2 more lines. Okay, now how many we have? You can count.
9.
Yeah, good job. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And can you complete this, please? So the first one and the next one equals?
Sure.
Yeah, you completed the whole thing for me. And in the very beginning, before I drew the extra 2 lines, there were only 3 equal parts. So that's just one thing to remind you. So the first one, the first fraction, when it was the 3 equal parts, what would that be?
Pardon? Pardon?
Yep, so I drew the blanks. Do you see what I made like a blank boxes of the fractions, so you can fill it in if you like. Do you want to give it a go?
Maybe.
So the first one would be when there were 3 equal parts and only one was colored.
So is it 1, 3 or 3, 1?
1, 3. So we call it 1/3. Yeah. 1 and then 3. Good job. And we say it 1/3. Yeah. And now, because I added 2 more lines, and now we have 9 equal parts. Yeah. And how many are colored when it was 9 equal parts?
1 was colored.
Yep, so 1 was colored before when it was 3 equal parts. But when it is now 9 equal parts, we have 1, 2, 3 colored. So what will you write to complete this one, this blank boxes?
3 and 6 or 6 and 3?
No, have a think one more time. So 3 are colored, but how many equal parts are now together?
3 and 3 and 3.
So we'll do it together. So have a look. 1, 2, 3 are colored. So we will write 3 on top.
3.
Yeah. And then next thing is, okay, I'll wait for you.
Messy 3.
That's okay, as long as it looks like 3. Okay, and next one, I'm gonna count how many equal parts altogether. So let's count it together. 1.
9.
Yeah, 9. That's it. So it's altogether 9 equal parts. So you write 9 on the bottom. job. Do you see what we do? What we did is when there are 3 equal parts and 1 colored, the number on top indicates how many equal parts are colored, and the bottom number says how many equal parts altogether we have. Yeah? So that's why the 3 are colored when there were 9 equal parts altogether. Yeah? Does it make sense, Sky?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Was it helpful?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it something that you didn't do before?
Yes.
Yeah? Did you do something similar at school?
Well, a little bit, but we did it with sausages.
You did it with sausages. Oh, that's
Yeah.
better. Okay. Well, I mean, that's it for today. You've done an amazing job. Real solid effort. Yeah? Good
Yeah.
job. Can we do air high five? Hey. All right. I'll see you next time. Okay, Sky?
Okay.
Okay. Take care till then. Bye.
Bye.